Okay, so what's the challenge for today? I got these three documentations. Not I would say documentation. I got these three like company-wise HR email address. First one, I got it from our Instagram channel. This and like these are the company career portal link where we can apply, and other is a uh, cold email template like LinkedIn cold email template, cover letter template. These are the things. So, what are you thinking, Harsh? So, I just want that key I use to this email format to apply or to send email to these many HRs. This is my goal. By considering each HR, their company, their name, their title, like according to that, I want to make a custom email for each of the HRs about me, about my skills, about my resume. I want that. So, my goal is to make an AI agent where I just need to provide this documentation, and in my behalf, it will send email to each of the HR with using a custom email. That is my problem statement that I need to build. Okay. And I have this, I have that template also. Okay, done. So, got it. So, what I am thinking, Harsh, what are you thinking? How you build some? So, like, uh, what do I say? Mm, let's make an architecture of it. What was that like tool called? Eraser, erasable thing. Okay, okay, got it. So let's start. First, what we need to think. We need to make architecture of it. Okay, so let's first see what we have. So we have our document. Okay, yeah. So we have an HR email ID and others in our document. That is this document, which is quite large. It's around 121 pages, and we have a template that contains a template, a documentation that contains a template. Yeah, and we have a system. So our architecture might look like this we give to the system, and we give to the system this. The system is intelligent. So system suppose ki uses email address, I like email and other details and templates. What are these other details? Let me first mention that because it's difficult to understand. It's difficult to think what resources we have and how are we gonna use that. So we have email address, then we have name. Okay, let's first make we have name, email address, and a title and the company. Okay, title and company. Yep. So we have both of this done. And how are utilizing our resources? That we we have also have resume. Our resume, what we can say, we have an in, we need to upload a resume, our resume, and based on our resume should be there to the system also. And this system will use this and will create a separate report. I think that might look good. Or should we focus on other architecture? Yeah. Based on this, the system should create each. Then we need something. The result should be send email. Okay. So we need something that automatically fetches what that have access to our email, that can send email by their own. We need this. This will be our AI agent, and this system will be just a like a part that can accumulate all these things. This is the thing I'm thinking right now. This is the architecture that is, it's just a high level architecture. Okay, so let's start implementing it without wasting our time. Hmm. So let's move to our terminal. Let's do an mkdir. Let's call this project as a what agent email sender. Let's open it in the VS Code process terminal. We have in this term like VS Code directory. Let's go to the directory first. Let me download all these resources towards it. To it, let's download this company wise details. Download this in what we say PDF format is fine. Let's download it in plain TXT or PDF. I think PDF. You can download it in PDF. It can be easily scrapped. But let's download it in TXT also. Let's see how the TXT looks like. Because sometimes the LLM have problem to fetch things in TXT. Actually, I don't know it's really a part of that or not. But let's see. I don't download it. Yeah. How the TXT might look. Let's remove this line. Shout out to Itish. Name. Yeah, it's not in a proper format. I think it just crazy shit. Is it in a proper format? No, we can't use this. Okay, let's make it in PDF only. Then we have now leave it. Then we have a application cold email system. Yeah, cold email template. So the hiring manager, your full name, contact information, LinkedIn profile. Okay, so let's also download this. Download. Mm, not in PDF only. PDF export. Yeah. Okay. And now I want my resume to be there. So let's make a folder called docs that contain all these things of mine. Where should I import? Let's open it in folder. And we have uh, downloads. I want this company, not text, by PDF one. And I think there should be my resume. Resume October. Yes, this should be copied and send it to docs. Yep, these all things are there. Okay, so yeah, the important thing, I will make the complete information, the complete application by just vibe coding things. I will not do no like majorly part I'll do vibe code only. So let's start. So you all can see how I wipe code stuff. Okay. So first, let me uh, use AI to analyze things. Let me first like activate AI. So this is a command. I'm using a Claude code. Claude minus minus dangerously skip permissions. This will activate my Claude code terminal. I will put init command. Sorry slash init. Yeah, it was the same. So it is just listing my all the items that are there in this folder in my Cloud in this VS Code directory. This linking all these things. Okay. Mm, think there might be few issues in the Cloud code. It's not working. Some APIs issues. Insufficient balance or no resource package. Please recharge. Wait. Which model am I using? Opus. No. I want the default one. And then in it. Just I can. It's my resume by the way. Yeah, it's updated one. Okay. Same issue. I think my cloud code balance is not is insufficient. Hmm. Now what? I don't think I can do code without cloud code. Okay. Now how should I make this? Like I can make a similar architecture, but it takes time. I just want to make it in a single video. How should I make this? Should I use VS Code agent by default? Can we do that? Hey, is it working? Yeah, I think it's working. Let's see. I want you to do a very deep and thorough, thorough meta-analysis analysis of the docs of the docs, and I wanna let's make a PRD. Oh no, I wanna let's make him to make a PRD. Wanna make a PRD that okay. I have an interesting idea. I wanna make a PRD by which I want an AI agent to be created that have my email access and want and uses this HR mail PDF details to mail each and every HR a custom email using my resume and email format or template. Both both are there in this file in attachments. So what does this mean? Control C. And if I run this, it will create a PRD for me. Let me go this. And I what I was thinking, let's go to AI Studios. Let me take like tell Gemini to write a PID for me. Yeah, I will use a Gemini 2.5 Pro model as a thinking model, and let's put it there. I will attach my details, upload files. The files should be there in downloads. Let's say this PDF and one more my resume. Open. I'll send it to the Gemini model. Send it. Let's see what it has made. So it was converted all these things in txt. Okay, HR email in txt that I had already made it, and resume in txt. Okay, great. What is this thinking? Let's see whether this Claude Haiku 4.5 is better or this Gemini 2.5 Pro is better. I think I would go with Gemini 2.5 Pro because it's a, what do you say? It's a thinking model, and I don't have any idea about this Haiku 4.5. Let's see which is better. Okay, create a comprehensive PRD. Okay, great. Agent-based personalized email sender. Email template document. Okay, it has made a document. Template flow should be there. Yeah, call to action, resume. Okay. Yeah, tools. Okay, resume document. Yeah, got it. Extracted my document. Summary, work experience. All these things. Okay. Very junior in traditional employment in transfer control. Profile strength. Focus on startup projects over corporate experience. Okay. Yeah, it's me. It's my demerit now. You can call it my strength. Okay, startup list static. What the heck it is? It's just a meta-analysis. Yeah. Let me go with the PRD. Problem statement. Okay. Okay. It has made changes of 1318 lines of code, which is I think a good, nice execution. What about this? Okay. Bas secure email integration drift mode user interview attachment. So based on the PRD, I want you to make a detailed checklist to complete this project end to end, working with with Gemini API integration and all the features working and making it a complete production ready product. Send it there. Accept it. It's still making the PRD. What the heck is making? I don't know. What feature one, phase two? What the heck it is? Are you crazy, bro? Step one implementation. What is he making? A/B testing. Dashboard. What are you, bro? Crazy. System architecture. He's even making architecture. Dashboard. Campaign manager. Analytical settings. This is his job query. Job query. Like PostgreSQL database. Email processing. Sending. Registration. Login. Connect email account flow. Product. Resume. All these things. What the heck? Monitor, bro, it's too production ready. It's too enterprise edition, I think. Campaign creation. Are you or bro? I need to make it in one video, not a one lifespan. What the heck is this OTP verification, authentication, DB status, and it's still writing. Mobile pixel, click tracking, click tracking. It's also doing click tracking. Are you crazy? HR Connect, click tracking, reply tracking. Is also tracking the replies. Will the HR will reply or not? Is bro crazy. AWS MCP authentication using a Bicrypt Bicrypt JWT authentication 15 minutes में expiry हो जाएगा. Yep. Connect to Gmail. AES 256 encryption at rest. Sensitive data. Oh, bro, crazy. Final summary documentation also making. What this model Haiku 4.5? What is this, yaar? It's crazy model. Cloud Haiku 4.7. What is this? Is not released a model or it's recently and currently available model. Cloud Haiku 4.5 is based on fast, cost efficient, and highly intelligent model, particularly with low latency and scalable tasks. Okay, 4.5 family. Okay, Sonnet 4.5 and Cloud Opus 4.1. Bro, I've seen crazy model. Let's make a changes of around 4,332 lines of code. Start here. So much documentation. Okay, I don't need anything to write. It is already made everything for me. Let's first keep it and then complete deliverable packages. Six. Okay, just also log me everything that you have made. Great. Final visualization document. I don't need that, bro. Please. I You have made plenty of things. Okay, but will you able to integrate it? That's my question, and I'm challenging you if you will be able to integrate this. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. It will be a long video, I think. I can easily make this. No problem. I think he has made a checklist version control initialize everything. Design a prompt, also made a prompt. Everything that I need to make it a complete project. I don't need this, but this project that he has made, it's also good. But so I was thinking, should I make this that does my job, or should I go for this that is slightly complex, not slightly more complex, using multiple dependencies, etc. Okay, let's go with that. I don't like really want complex things in my projects currently. No, okay. Let me copy all the details that you have made. The Gemini 2.5 Pro model has made, and phase 6 control all control C. I think it should be perfect. Should I delete this all? Let's delete that. Yeah. We don't need except PRD. We don't need these type of things. Let's delete them all. Just make a changes in PRD. Just move all this and push this. Okay. These are the phases. Okay. Use this model only to build this. So I want you to do a very deep and thorough analysis of of what is happening of of the PRD dot mdu file and implement it step by step. Also commit each and every changes you make for easier debugging. Let's make it. Let's see what should be the result. Okay, so you just started working. For he has made okay, great, intelligent logs, source, test, made complete files at once. Like has gone to also send it created logs for it. Now is making a virtual environment nice. That is the thing I can I that's the thing I do when I need to make this project. Let's see what things he has imported. So Google API, Python client, authentication, okay, generative AI, Gemini, PDF reader, Request HTTP for request only. Okay, got it. Let's allow them. Set up virtual environment, upgraded pip, and activated environment. Okay, great. He's going like currently fine. It's quite basic steps to do for any Python project to be implemented. Yeah, activate it again. Why so? Okay, just install the requirement packages. Yep, it might take few time, like few minutes to take. Let me study this. Control Shift V. What is this? In the project version directory, API credentials, making config.py. Is it making even a agentic software? Job application agent. Okay. Parser. Personalization module. It gets personalized based on the experience was developing a Python project. Should be provided only by Gemini. Okay, surely. Let's move to phase one data extraction and parsing module done. Let's move to phase one. You set up all these things, API the credentials and configuration. Like docs method, there is no change. Config में there is a change is made. Project directory Gemini API. Dev agent. What is this? Parse HR PDF. Yeah, making an HR parser. Hmm. Like takes every details. Okay. The first part is completed. Taking like every details from the resume, fallbacks, everything's complete. Resume parser. So my job is to sit for a while and watch what this agent is doing. Quite a hectic job. And yeah, this is the future. This is the future. Begin to phase zero. Okay, so phase three. I'm just given his all access, all the things that he wants. I'm just saying, will will we it's going to work on this or not? Let's see how Claude Haiku 4.5 is capable to do things. Let's start at the Gmail integration. I just really want to know okay, how just he uses Gmail like to do things, to do stuff, to like send Gmails on my behalf because that is the interesting part. That is the part where the agent comes in, where this model like will transform from an generative AI to an agentic AI framework. Let's see. Let's give me a quick break, guys. Let's see at the end what is done. Okay, guys, welcome back. I just come from a break. Hmm. Now it's creating some tests that can test the APIs and other things. It's quite doing well, and like it's phase 5.2 or 1, I think. Why it's only saying phase 3 implementation? Whether is starting okay, yeah, it's all automatically going up. Yeah. Now it went to the README and documentation. And also you can see it's maintaining the structure of the code. I'm really impressed if this works. Really. It's also maintaining the structure of the code. Like each structure is properly maintained. At first, if this works, then I'll try to add a UI on it. Okay, there must be a UI. And after few testing, you can also test all my YouTube viewers. Like if you test it, if it works well, I'll make a Instagram reel on it. Not a reel. It's kind of a what do you say? A tool, advertisement that can do stuff like that. And I'll just spread it. Let's see, will be able to make it or not. If I'll be doing it by my like without vibe coding, it will take around a 1 week around to write all this stuff, all this code to plan, do stuff like that. And now it's too easy. Nice. Let's wait for a few more minutes. So it made all the summaries, all the things, blah blah, final project status, other things, tested, project implementation, summary, commits, 6 phases completed. Okay, I don't need this shit. Just implement and run it, nothing else. Let's see how intelligent this model is. They didn't ask me to put my API, but let's put it. Gmail credentials and Gmail token. Okay, great. Okay, let me quickly put this all these details and then I'll come to you. We'll run this and we'll see how capable this model is. Wait. Okay, so now let's start. I think I just asked it to start running this project and it just tested few things. I just made changes. I think we are ready to run it. Main file. Let's see where it goes. I see the application requires Gmail authentication. Since we are a demo environment without any actual setup, create summary.
projectors and no, 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 bro, no, no, no. I don't want you to uh, go a demo. Understand? Okay. Gmail credentials. Opt-in from. Right.
Okay, guys, finally got all the credentials and set up things. Access block, Gmail desktop client has not completed Gmail verification. Okay. All things done. But few issues again with the, I think it's done now. What do you say? Can you please refresh it? No, let me rerun it. So basically, what this is around na ki for the Gmail access, you need a like auth to for auth to authentication also. There are a few things. You need to create a credentials.json. You need to create a token.json. You need the Gemini API key. So in the Gemini like Cloud Console, you need to go and you need to make a account. You need to give access that you want to say. Like you want a credential.json that has access to access your email for everything. So like this is the like I have made this desktop client and I want to access it. I think this LLM got stuck. Let me rerun it. Continue, bro. You are doing fine. Okay. In this video, basically, all these things, I think it's got completed. The coded, it has like let's test whether it, access got blocked. Let me quickly get a chat GPT. Why is this issue happening? I just made everything done. Then why this issue? Most common API issues locally access blocks happen because auto session process when you testing mode only email is cleared test login contents address of the test user. Okay, got it. I need to add myself as a test user so that I'm testing with it. Now the Google account will be also authenticated to the test user based on this only. Okay, got it. This is the way how to debug things. How you need to debug. The vibe code is not actually that much easy that people think around. You need to know, understand how the APIs are working, how things are working. Create yourself as a test user. Under test user, click on add user. Okay, there the heck is the text user, test user. I don't see test user section. Consent clients. Is it a client section? Client section. Is there an option to select user? It should be in data developer connect. Okay, so for now we have up to this section. We just need to make few policies and like make to give an access to few test users, like test user of ourselves.
make to test users. Okay. Rest of the things we need to test, and we'll do it in another video because it's already too long, 45 minutes. So in this video, we have just made this much. I think it's a complete application, not this much. In the next video, we'll fix this issue, this user issue, to get access about it, and we'll continue with the project, the wipe coded project. And you can mention it in your resume, or you can make your own stuff using this concept. Hope you all like the video and have a nice day. Also, tag if you have made something like using these techniques, this is vibe coding and other stuff. And signing off. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.